NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to publish videos on YouTube in mobile from ShareFactory in 2020 using, in this example, a Samsung Android mobile phone. So if you're a PS4 player and want to learn how to make awesome gaming videos using ShareFactory, plus learn how to do more on YouTube and other PS4 related stuff, then this is the channel for you. So please do subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Okay, so we start in ShareFactory. We've just completed our how to add 3D text in ShareFactory video. I've just checked the outros and volume levels and spelling mistakes and transitions and all that sort of stuff. I've added a thumbnail that I made in Photos in ShareFactory, and we just want to push the options button and press generate thumbnail, and then that confirms that the thumbnail is added to the video, and then we can just delete it from there. Once we're happy with it all, we can push triangle, which will render the video and add it to capture gallery so that we can then choose to share it if we wish to. So we're going to click yes, share the video, and it's going to take us to another option which will ask us if we want to add it to YouTube or Twitter, and we want to share it to YouTube. And so we've got the thumbnail at the top there, which all looks fine. We're not going to worry about adding the title or the description now because I like to do that in YouTube, but you could do it here if you wanted to. And then you just choose which option here you want in privacy levels. I always choose unlisted because I want to make the video changes and the tags and description and add cards and stuff all in YouTube itself. So we can go down the bottom, leave everything else as it is, and push the share button. It can take a little while to upload to YouTube, but we're going to leave ShareFactory and we're going to go to our mobile. I'm going to use my Android, and we're going to click on the profile icon in the top right hand corner, which will then take us to these options. You can scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'll find help and feedback. So we want to click on help and feedback, and then that will take us to a screen that looks like this. In the top part where it says describe your issue, we're going to type in cards. Okay, I'm sure there's other ways to get into it, but I'm going to type in cards, and then we click on add cards to videos. Okay, and then we scroll down a little bit here and you can see that it says sign in to YouTube Studio. So we're going to click on YouTube Studio, and then that's going to take us to the desktop version of the YouTube Studio. Okay, and this is what you would see on a laptop. So this is what we're going to use on a mobile. It is trickier, but what you want to do is click on the videos tab on the left hand side, and once you've got that, you can see there our video has been uploaded and it's got the basic description and the title there, but what we're going to do is click on the title and we're going to click on the pencil that says details. Okay, that's going to allow us to do a few things, and then I'm just going to show you a couple of basics on how to get this going in YouTube. So we're going to first of all do the title. So we're going to type in the title that we want on our video. Once we've done that, we can then go into the next part below, which is adding a description. So it's useful to have a preset text that you can just copy and paste. Now I'd recommend that if you do have quite big descriptions like I do. So notice the spelling mistake there as well. So once you've done the description, then you can move on to whichever part you want to do next. I normally do the tags next, so you can just delete the tags that that are automatically uploaded there and add whichever tags that you want to do, that you want to add, considering the research you've done already into what tags would be suitable for your video. When that's done, we can move across to the right hand side and click on visibility, and this is where we can make the video public. So we could click on public and click on done. You do have the option of adding it to a schedule, so you can upload it at a set time, but before you actually make it public, I would recommend that you add end screens and cards, and I'm going to cover that in a future video because it's going to make this video too long. But once we're happy with it, we can push save at the top there, and that is our video published and now available to be viewed by everyone else. So then if we scroll across on the videos tab, we can see that it says that our video has been published and it is now ready to be viewed by everyone else. So do check out all the other videos. I'm going to do more videos on the cards and adding end screens because they're really important to making your videos a success. So do check those videos out. I'll put the link in the description at a later point, and I hope that has helped. If it has, please do like and subscribe. Thanks very much, and bye.